right now. No. Can hear him getting fatter. Conductor just went in the cab, so I think so. Conductor just went in the cab, so I think so.
How do you know he was the conductor?
I just saw you just saw the conductor walk from.
He picked up a rod. Wasn't he the guy that was just cleaning toilets 10 minutes ago?
No. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, he had the scrub brush and everything.
No. They picked up the rock, threw it in the cab.
He had that whisk iron out.
Oh, shut up. You're ruining the video.
It does a really good job.
Can we please go down to the crossing for a minute when they depart?
Where's the crossing? You talking about
Right there.
that?
Yeah.
Why?
So we can see them leave better, so we can get a better shot.
Oh my God. Right there.
But
They're not leaving anytime soon.
I bet you they are.
You know, we do have to ride back.
Yeah. It's a cute little switcher.
Look at that big fire siren up there. Siren.
Yeah. Okay. Try and get a better shot. There we go.
Safely cross.
Oh, got their headlights on now.
Didn't they have those on before?
I think they might have. I don't know though.
That's like one of the last year's Corvettes with the light.
Oh yeah, that came up the.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
Chesapeake and Ohio. Said Chesapeake and Ohio. Don't know why. Because that's Ohio Central. So apparently...
All these people who live here, they're like, get these stupid trains out of here.
Got a loose tie.
All right,
Derailer.
So look, there's a plate. You could take it.
Are you kidding me? No.
Look, there's another spike.
No. That one scared me.
I think that was a bit of
I think that might be cue for we're gonna leave like in a minute.
I got a picture of you in action.
Oh, okay, all right. That's kind of cool. They took rail and like used it as like a barricade.
Are you sure that wasn't the air horn from the guy that finished his burger?
Are you kidding me?
I think it was. Oh, look through. We got big bolts here too.
Oh, shut up.
You take those?
No, I'm not gonna take.
You can take some of that rotten wood.
I'm not. I'm not gonna take stuff from a railroad, which people who are literally right in front of me.
Hey, what's that? You know how they have you ever heard of those boots they put on cars that they don't want them to move?
Yeah.
Is that what that is for that rail track?
That's a derailer.
That's a derailer?
Yes.
Okay. I thought that up there was a derailer with the switch and everything.
No.
Okay. So
No. That's just. That
look,
is just
see
to
all
go
that
to
guy's
that.
doing is washing his window.
Are you kidding me?
That's all he's doing. They're not going anywhere.
They're gonna leave soon. I hope.
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Come on. Just leave. Please.
Do you have any interest in wanting to walk that way on this side?
Why?
Well, towards the bike. What way do you think they're going to go?
That way?
You really do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well?
Yeah, exactly. How do you know? They could come in town this way and go back that way.
Yeah, let's go back that way. Because after realizing that, I think, they're not going down that way. What?
Don't make it so obvious. So this right here, you're derailing.
Yep.
Huh.
Yeah, the way you can tell a rail is obviously used if it's shiny.
Mm-hmm.
If it's shiny, it's used often. If it's kind of rusty, it's like...
The reason I wanted you to walk on this side is that way I don't let the cop yelling at us.
Yeah.
Because you know how cops are.
Yeah.
They'll yell at anybody for any excuse anytime.
I mean, you got a good point. So there's the office. And that truck that had the,
Looks like Jimmy James' truck.
It kind of does. It reminds me of the Nichols.
Except theirs is a light.
Come on. You know, I have this on video right now. It's still recording.
Their truck is a light.
There is no hope in you.
James is a yellow.
Sure, yeah. Let's go with that.
Why don't you yell at him? Which way are you going?
No.
Which way?
You think I'm that retarded? Wait, don't answer that.
Don't put that on tape. Come back to haunt you.
It probably will.
Don't put it on tape. So this is these are railroad spurs that go into
There.
this building.
That building to get worked on.
So there's a couple people there.
Yep.
Somebody walking up to kind of make sure.
Yeah. Got your cut lever, you have your air hose, your basic coupler, and I don't know what that is.
And brake inspection.
Oh, that's a B. So there's the SD40-2. These are all cars. I think that down there used to be ex-Conrail. That double stacker right there. And those are Age of Steam right there. There's a New York Central, wow. Thought I'd never find one of these.
There's one.
Alright, I think they're gonna leave.
There's one.
Oh.
It's an older one.
Stupid.
Baltimore and Ohio.
Yeah. I'm just saying it for the camera.
Okay.
Yep, they're departing. Come on.
Kind of new.
Yeah, it's a newer
Hold it.
one. I want to get this super bad. Oh no! They're starting to move already. No! They're going like walking speed now. I think they're going to notch 2 or 3. I think notch 3, yeah. Okay, that unit is pulling. That's just idling. Never mind, it's not. It's pushing. No homo though. Oh, there it is. And you got the Chesapeake in Ohio there.
See, and that guy's down there, right at the end.
Getting a nice good shot.
Yeah. What did you do? I want to go back over there. I want to avoid the big
Shut
shot.
up.